My name is Megara Jensen. I go to the School Harmony Science Academy, and today I will be presenting the empirical formula of magnesium oxide. The entire purpose of this experiment is to find the empirical formula of the compound magnesium oxide. But how exactly can one find the empirical formula of magnesium oxide? Well, as one can see in this following design, one should put the magnesium ribbon inside a crucible and burn it over the Bunsen burner. And we shall go over this in the following slides. Now, in order to conduct this experiment, you will need a clay triangle, a ring stand, a butane microburner or a Bunsen burner, a magnesium ribbon, which is about 4 inches, tongs, clear crucible and lid, a scale, and for safety, wear goggles, an apron, and heat-resistant gloves. The procedure for this experiment is the following. First, find the mass of empty, cleaned crucible and lid. Second, coil the piece of magnesium ribbon loosely and place it in the bottom of the crucible. Third, determine the mass of the lid and crucible with the magnesium ribbon inside of it. Fourth, place the crucible without the lid on the clay triangle and heat it up until the magnesium lights up. Fifth, when the magnesium lights up, turn off the burner and immediately place the lid on the crucible using the thongs. After the apparatus cools to room temperature, determine the mass of the crucible, lid, and the magnesium oxide inside of it. Data and calculations. Take the mass of the crucible, the lid, and the magnesium, and subtract that from the mass of the crucible, the lid, and the magnesium oxide. The answer for that will be the mass of the oxygen. After that is done, take the mass of the magnesium and the mass of the oxygen and divide each of them by their own atomic mass. The quotient of that will be then divided by the smallest quotient of the two. And that would be your answer. At the conclusion of our experiment, our test results showed that the empirical formula of magnesium oxide would be magnesium 11 oxygen. I would like to conclude with saying that through this experiment, I was able to learn how to find the empirical formula by using the method of burning a chemical inside of a crucible. One can also use this in the future when struggling to find a different empirical formula of a compound, for it proved to be quite useful. And last but not least, thank you for watching. Goodbye.